The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a snow squall warning for eastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central and southern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:48 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Hanover Park to Stupney, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 288. Interstate 57 between mile markers 346 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 154 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 129 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 106. Interstate 94 between mile markers 56 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 7 and 21. Interstate 294 between mile markers 56 and 74. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12, in between mile markers 15 and 30. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Calumet City, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, South Shore, Roseland, Midway Airport, and South Lawndale. Slow down. Rapid changes. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a